Hi, we welcome you to the head center of Look Masters, located at SU 831, first floor, NSE Mani Mazra, Chandigarh. As you can see out here, this is very huge, nice and spacious. Look Masters Non-Surgical Hair Placement Center, Chandigarh, with individual private zones, personalized zones, spacious zones for all its clients, where all the hair restoration, non-surgical hair placement procedures like hair patches, hair wigs, hair toppers and hair extension for both men and women are undertaken by the expert team in its ultra spacious premises of its head office in Chandigarh, located in a 1500 square foot independent area, having numerous personalized spacious zones for both men and women who get their hair replacement done. So if you are bothered by less hair, no hair, or scantier issues, so look no further and contact 98140-71143, Mr. Ashish Tugal, the proprietor of both the centers of Look Masters at Chandigarh and Mohali. The branch center is located in Mohali, and the head center, as you can see, what we are showing you is spaciously located in Chandigarh. Take care, God bless, see you.